Wow, this is so amazing. Wow, that's cool, right? The three words that make me scary in this world is not "I don't love you," but it is Monday. So what does it mean, Angga? Yeah, maybe you're busy in the Monday, you got a lot of tasks as a designer. So previously I was making video about why did I resign from the office, and today I got a new job in the same country, Malaysia, as the product designer in the finance technology. So I'm gonna explain to you the reason why did I join this new company. So to make it not really boring video, I'm gonna explain while traveling around Indonesia. It's called a Danau Toba. Okay, so let's get started. So currently I'm in Soekarno-Hatta International Airport, waiting for my flight to go to another island in Indonesia from Java to the Sumatra. You know, waiting for flight, it's kind of boring, right? So instead of wasting my time, I'm prefer like to write articles or script for my videos in YouTube, or even just practice for the user interface design. So for you, if you want to improve your own design, your own development, you have to use your time wisely. Otherwise, you're just spending time for something that really not valuable. Alright? So previously I told you, right, I changed my job to another company, which is finance technology. Yeah, so I was starting working by 7 days ago. That's why I haven't updated my videos in terms of the Android Studio tutorial. So I think Bitcoin is getting high, so that's why the reason I joined this company, because I want to learn the cryptocurrency such as Bitcoin, Ethereum, or even we're going to build our coin in terms of the cryptocurrency. So I just arrived in the small plane. This is small plane, it's like the mini jet, you know, but can bring us to the another island from Java to Sumatra. So I'm gonna show you what how it looks like. So yeah, even it's so small but so fast. It just takes 2 hours from Java to the Sumatra. So beautiful, right? Hi. Hi. Here we go. And nobody there. It's just a few people. Because I think no one can go to Sumatra in the weekdays, because yeah, I'm rarely go to holiday in the weekend because there's a lot of people. So I think the best day to go to vacation is just a weekdays. Okay guys, so I just arrived in the hotel in Prapat. Yeah, I think so. Yeah, this is so small, not really big, because so expensive, you know, because it's nearby with the Danau Toba, and I'm gonna show you. Wow, look at that. Nice, isn't it? Yeah, so nice. So maybe that after I taking rest, so I can easily to explore around the Danau Toba. Yeah, maybe I can go to another island, which is the Samosir Island over there with the boat. Yeah, there's a boat. Yeah. So right now I'm going to take shower and taking rest, of course, and get some lunch. Alright, so Okay guys, so basically I just finished with my lounge and talking with my friends from China because I'm learning the Mandarin language. And here I am that I'm gonna show you the point of view, and yeah, it is nice for the Danau Toba. If you see in behind me, you see there's the Danau Toba, and over there is like another island, but I'm going to that island maybe tomorrow morning. It's gonna be nice because if I go today, it's not enough time, because if in the night I will not get any you know, it's like boat or ferry, yeah, you know, such as like that. And yeah, it's nice. The water is not really dirty actually. You are able to swimming here, but I'm going to think again if I want to swimming. Okay guys, so actually that I wanna continue the topic that we were talking when we were at the airport Soekarno-Hatta, in terms of my new job as the product designer in the finance technology company. So the role of my job is still same like the product design, and I'm taking the responsibilities in terms of the design quality and user experience design, and then working with the development team to build the real product from the design. So basically the company that I'm working on right now is like the software house. We're working with the many clients. It's chance for me to growing up in the finance technology, to understanding more about the Bitcoin, cryptocurrency, and another coins with many clients. So the reason why do I like to working with the software house, because it's allow me to talking with a different clients that has their own mindset, their own understanding in terms of the design and human behavior. So means that improving my knowledge and experience as well. So for you, if you're still new, like maybe you're junior and you fresh graduated from a developer or even a designer, I think the best choice is to choose a software house, because it allows you to learn a lot of things in terms of the design, technology, development, and even timeline of the project. Because it's different if you're working for the big company or in-house product, or working for the small company but in-house product. So basically in the in-house product, you're just working for your own product, the company's product. But if you are working in the software house, you're gonna work for the client's product. You're gonna meet a lot of people with a different mindset, and you're trying to understanding like, hey, it couldn't be like that. I have another suggestion, yeah. So it pushes you, it makes you to be more active in terms of the project. Maybe you think that you're afraid if you're doing something wrong because you just fresh graduate, you know nothing, you just know a little things. That's okay, bro. That's okay, guys. That's okay, girls. Because if you're going to the small company, you're gonna learn a lot of things. So if you're afraid, don't start work. Just say to them, offer them that you're gonna take an internship. Yeah, you know, internship program. Maybe 1 or 3 months. That's enough for you to adaptation with their own structure. Maybe how your company working together with the another division like the development, product team, marketing, or even the stakeholders. Yeah, I understand sometimes we afraid something that we don't know yet, right? But that's why if you are afraid just taking an internship, maybe it's okay. You don't have to pay me, but I'm gonna learn, I'm gonna working here, I'm gonna make a lot of mistakes here, but I want to growing up in this company. After you took the internship and then you complete the program, the company maybe will offer you a cover letter, means that you're gonna work for the full time, and that's your chance to improving your knowledge and your skills. But the things that you have to understand, you have to learn first how to negotiate the salary, because otherwise they will fooling you. I mean, as a developer, maybe you have to get around $2,000 to $3,000 for the junior. But for designer, I think you can go with the $2,500 to $4,000.
Hi guys, so good morning, and this is the real faces when I just wake up from my bed. And yeah, still waiting for the sunrise here and waiting for the breakfast team. So I got some tea. Yeah, well, to be honest, that I spent my morning with some exercises and tea, and then beautiful sunrise. So just waiting for it. The benefit as a freelancer or even working full-time but remotely means that you work from anywhere. It's like you got a time to spending your time traveling the world while you're still young, you know. Instead, you spending a time and stuck in the office and you're not moving anywhere. I mean, the world is changed, and you as a designer or even a developer, yeah, you are able to work anywhere as long you take care of the communication of the internet connection also, because otherwise you're not able to talk with your team, right? So it's pretty nice to working remotely because I can go somewhere, the place that I want. So I'm gonna show you something. Wow, amazing, right? But I'm still junior Angga, I'm still fresh graduate. I just graduate from my high school or from my university. But am I still able to work remotely or even a freelance? To be honest, yeah, you can, but you better not. I mean, I suggest you better not, because you don't have a lot of experiences. So how do you work remotely, right? So if you have a lot of experience in terms of the design and development, and you got experience to work, travel, and then commute it, and then yeah, I mean work anywhere, right? And you got some experience to talk with your teams even you're not there, right? So if you're junior and still fresh graduate, I suggest you don't do that, because it will make your work experience very bad. This is so amazing. If you see behind me, wow, you see that? So currently I'm in the Samosir Island, spending my time just explore around, walking around. You see that building is kinda wooden, but this is the culture of the Sumatra in Indonesia. Wow, it's amazing, right? So I'm gonna show you. Hi guys, so I'm in the another place that I'm gonna show you, and I promise it's gonna be beautiful in Indonesia. Wow, look at that. Wow, there's a lot of ferry there. So you see, come to Indonesia, come to Sumatra. So this is the another place, and yeah, it seems like but wow.
Danau Sidihoni.
Danau
Sidihoni.
Sidihoni.
Pulau Samosir.
Samosir Island. Wow. Okay guys, so currently I'm on the way to going back my hotel with the ferry boat. Yeah, so I think this is my end of video, and I hope you were learning so much things about my new job and my advices for the junior and junior designer and developer. And yeah, I was showing you a whole of Sumatra Island in Indonesia that includes Samosir. Okay, so I hope that we could meet again in the next vlog if I get good feedback from you in terms of my vlog.
But if you think that this is not really necessary, so we don't have to do this, right? So thank you and